Hello, my name is Tim Cummersdale, and today I'm going to explain pull-to-force and pull-to-stroke settings with our brand new battery rivet nut tool, the NB08 PT-18. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain pull-to-force, when to use it effectively, and what to look out for in the case of not okay placing. In this example, I'm going to use a nutsert, a blind fastener designed to provide a load-bearing thread in thin sheet materials. To start the tool, you press the trigger to load the home screen. To set up the tool to pull-to-force, go to the menu options, control menu, where you can either select pull-to-force or pull-to-stroke. In this example today, I know the application in this case requires a force setting of 60. While 60 is a round number, this is a case of experimentation, and the numbers we supply in our instruction manuals are only for reference. You will need to tune to suit your application. The number 60 is the percentage of the total load of the tool. So in this example, 60 is 60% of 18 kilonewtons, which is approximately 11 kilonewtons. So we go to the rivet setting menu, unlock the tool, enter password, enter. Reduce the number 100, so this is 100% of the tool's total load. We need 60. Once okay with that, lock the figure in and return to home. So I place my nutsert onto the tool, never to the application first. Push fastener onto the tool first, ready to place. So place my application in a safe position and tool into the hole and place. As we can see, here is an example of a good placing. The fastener has bulbed correctly on the blind side of the application. On the front side of the application, we can see the fastener has been set correctly into our representative example. Now, I'm going to show you an example of not okay placement of a fastener in the application. For this example, I'm going to set the tool to 20% of its capacity. To set the tool to 20% of capacity, I go to the fastener setting menu. From here, unlock my tool, password, enter. Reduce the force number of 60 down to 20. Once OK, press my padlock. To test my application, I first put the fastener to the tool. The tool is now loaded. We now test into our application, our mild steel sheet we previously used with a hole pre-drilled. Set my tool with the fastener into the application, pull, and the test is complete. Now we can see the fastener has not set up correctly into the application. We can see this because the bulb on the blind side of the application has not deformed correctly, and the fastener is able to spin in the hole. This is another way to identify in the production line whether the fastener has been placed correctly or not. This is to support quality control through visual inspection. Please note, the tool can be set to pull-to-force and pull-to-stroke. While it is best practice to use one setting or the other, enabling both actuations can mean the tool will pull to either force or stroke setting, whichever comes first. On the production line, this may mean the setting of the insert nuts can vary from fastener to fastener. We hope you have found this tutorial useful. For more information, you can contact our experts at stanleyengineeredfastening.com.